Hello, my name is Lewis Ross. My company's name is KRoss Masonry. We've been in existence now since about 2017 when I stepped out and started my own company. I've been in the masonry field since probably since 1998, and that is my company's field of expertise. It's masonry, so we deal with anything as far as the CMU units with brick, stone, and precast units. That's what we kind of deal with in our trade. I've been with Brasfield and Gorrie now for I think going on about 2 years. When I initially started subbing from Brasfield and Gorrie, um, how I initially got with Brasfield and Gorrie, as I was doing a project in Columbus, Georgia, working for a particular masonry company. And I got to know a lot of the superintendents and the area managers. And when I stepped out and started my own company, I reached out to some of those same guys to see if I could start doing some of the smaller projects with Brasfield and Gorrie because we didn't want to start off too big. One person in particular was Bo Bickerstaff is the person that I reached out to and just asked him, what smaller projects that we could do, being that we were a new startup company, and they gave us a shot, and we've been going strong with them ever since. Right now, we are currently working on two projects with Brasfield and Gorrie. One of them is in Cartersville, Georgia, which is the Switch Evo, I think they call it Switch Evo in Cartersville, Georgia. And the other one is in Marietta, Georgia, which is East Cobb Church. So we are doing very well on those two projects. Right now, within the Equip program, it's a very helpful program, especially for MBE participants in that program. They give you a lot of information. The people are very responsive when you ask them for any kind of help or guidance. And it kind of gives you the leg up on different projects that's coming up in your area or out of state. So we are looking to continue to grow with Brasfield and Gorrie and continue to do more projects with them. Brasfield and Gorrie is a relatively large company. I think at the time when we first started, I think they were the second largest in the U.S. So we're very excited to work with Brasfield and Gorrie. Blessed to be within the program. Very happy with the progress that we have taken while we've been in the program, and just very blessed to be one of the subcontractors with Brasfield and Gorrie as a whole. So we just look forward to move forward and do more projects, and we cross masonry. We're happy to be here.